In this video, I'll be showing you how to go full screen on YouTube. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. But what you want to go ahead and do is firstly swipe down in the top right of your screen and make sure you have the portrait orientation locked to off, because if it's on, then you're not going to be able to go full screen. So all you want to do is open up your YouTube application and then just go to whichever video you want. So let's say in my instance, let's say it was this video right here. I have it open right now, but on the bottom right of the video, I'm going to see those little arrows like going opposite each other. Go ahead and click on that. That then makes the video entirely full screen, and I could obviously flip it around to the other side if I want to do that as well. Maybe I prefer it, or maybe I'm charging my phone and I want the wire the other way or something. Now, when you're in full screen, you have a few different settings. On the top right, I can cast it to a TV if I want to. I could press the little CC icon right there, and that's for closed captions. I can even click on the settings icon right there, and then I can choose the quality, playback speed, captions, lock screen, and I can even press more and choose all of these different things as well. So you have a few premium controls if you do have YouTube Premium anyway, so you have stuff like that available to you. Then on the bottom left, even from full screen, you can like, dislike, comment, save, share. You can even ask Google Gemini about the video, or I can press these three little dots and I can, send a donation. I can remix the video. I can report the video as well, all from full screen. So they've added a lot of functionality, which is honestly really useful. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.